Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in. If this is your first time and you're not yet subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of all my videos to come. So today I'm doing a style which is like tribal braids, or some people call it Fulani braids, which is basically box braids in the back and like a cane row style in the front. So I'm doing small feeding braids in the front. I used color 1 hair and purple hair. I can't remember exactly how many packs I used. I think I used around 4 packs of hair, or maybe 3. Yeah, I think I used about 3 packs of hair. So I'm not going to speak throughout the whole of the video. The video is quite self-explanatory, so just enjoy it. If you do have any questions at the end, then just leave them in the comment bar below and I'll be sure to get back to you.
Things friend from see the first time but your things can general. Your tight dress up me in a suspense with a mash up. You can tell me so we be just really want to be the one to make you happy. You're ready. Can't you travel the world if you stop in a one. Mother rate me brother sister everybody, but the father don't like me cause him here she call me daddy. Others why you get anything you like long as you alright and me alright. Me know your mother's why me like you. To a woman that I try you see bump up the proper side so I keep up me there behind you. Slap it make a nice snap around and picture she pretty on any side. Mama smile, yo, skin clean, thick eyes. Blush bright, so me now my choice. What you like? Better yet what you love. Too pretty fit and in a house. Don't get your stuff under the moonlight. Just me and you under the moonlight. Don't get your stuff under the moonlight. Just me and you, just me and you, just me and you. Make you feel special all year round, and I'm only when your birthday done. Why you get anything you like? Long as you alright and me alright, me know your mother's why me like you. To a woman that I try you see bump up the proper side so I keep up me there behind you. Slap it make a nice snap a random picture she pretty on any side. Mama smile, yo, skin clean, thick eyes. Blush bright, so me now my choice. Bounce to me now, resistant that on the ground to me now. Bounce to me now. Glow my baby, you man in all your life and let her show my baby. Only for plans me and feel my baby until me get my first man and you're my baby. Glow my baby, you man in all your life and let her show my baby. Only for plans me and feel my baby until me get my first man and you're my baby. Why you get anything you like long as you alright and me alright. Me know your mother's why me like you. To a woman that I try you see bump up the proper side so I keep up me there behind you. Slap it make a nice snap a random picture she pretty on any side. Mama smile, yo, skin clean, thick eyes. Blush bright, so me now my choice. Bounce to me now, resistant that on the ground to me now. Bounce to me, bounce to me now. Bounce to me now, resistant that on the ground to me now. Bounce to me, bounce to me now.
Mama tell me say me born special, and for that time me don't want to see me suffer. Just like they did to Jesus, see them kill him in front of him one mother. Look what Cain do to Abel, and the two of them was brother. Oh, me fit just another, won't even trust me shudder.
We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah. Yeah.
You know see how me sexy and me have my little cute face. Nothing them not have over me. Some gal watch me style and a chat, but a time them a waste. Nothing them not have over me.